So I'm on Facebook, I'm in this group, and I read this stat about, thoughts and opinions on why do blacks have the highest rate of single mothers of every race in America compared to a race in America. A whopping 74% of all black children are going to be raised in a single parent household. Somebody had the audacity to say racism. What the fuck are you talking about, bruh? Racism? Check this shit out. Check it out, right? Right now in America, there are 300 million people in America. Blacks are about 40 million blacks, 50 million Latinos, about 165 million whites. Those three races make up the majority of America. Follow me so far? Okay. There are about 30 million people out of work right now in America. Another 40 million people are permanently or have succumbed to being forced to make by on part-time work, which means there's really about 70 to 80 million people who are out of work. They're indigent. They ain't got no goddamn money. 109 million people in America right now are on welfare. So, 40 million blacks, 50 million Latinos, that's 90 million people. But you have roughly 70, 80 million people out of work right now. And 109 million people on unemployment. Total, right? When it comes to babies, roughly there's about 4 million babies born per year. 4 million babies born per year. On average, whites equal about 60% of all new babies born. That's about what? 4 million minus what? 60%? Like 2.6. About 2.6 million babies are born white. 2.6 million. Out of 2.6 million white babies, they say about 33% are born or raised by single mothers. Now the premise is this. Let's say all 4 million babies are born to brand new parents. First time parents, right? That's telling you that 33% of 2.6 million are going to be raised by single parents. 2.6 million minus 33% is what? 2.6 or 26 times 3, 12, 7, 72, but 6, about 800,000. About 800,000 single white mothers per year. Around 800,000 single white mothers per year, right? But 4 million minus 2.6 equals 1.4. Out of 1.4 remaining babies, they say about 60-something% are going to be raised by or born Latino, right? Total, right? So 60% of 1.4, well, half of 1.4 is what? It's 700,000. So about 800,000 total Latino babies per year. Pause. Single white mothers equal the entire population of newborn Latino babies per year, right? 800,000 newborn Latino babies equal the same population of single white female mothers. So they say about 60, so about 60% of newborn babies are born Latino. Out of that population, 60% are also going to be raised by single mothers. 60% of 800,000 will have an 8 is 4, so about 500,000. Around 500,000 are going to be raised by single mothers. You have 800,000 single white mothers, 500,000 single Latino mothers. Now, 1.4 minus 800, that leaves you with 600,000 kids left. Black babies are about 400,000. 400,000 total. 400,000. So the rate of single white mothers double the entire population of newborn black babies per year, right? So, out of 400,000, you say about 75% of them are going to be raised by in a single family household. So, that's about 300,000. 800,000 single white mothers. 500,000 single Latino mothers. 300,000 single black mothers. 80 million people out of work, 109 million people on social services. But yet and still, somebody is saying it's racism. How the fuck does that make any motherfucking sense? How in the fuck is that possible? How? I'm sorry. But how is that possible? Really, how is that racism? Who the fuck's getting ahead? It's a conspiracy against whom? Against whom? We're all going through the some bitch. Who? 800,000 single white mothers. 300,000 single black mothers. 500,000 single Latino mothers, but somehow it's racism. Now we're all in this bitch together. Asinine. The most asinine shit I heard all fucking week, and I pray I hear something even more asinine before fucking Friday. Into my work week. I can't fucking win with you motherfuckers. I gotta go. I gotta go. It's 2:10. My break's over in like 5 minutes, but it's been real. I gotta go. You bastards, you crack me up with the shit y'all talk about. Racism and conspiracies against the hood and shit. We're getting still black, white, Latino. They all going under the motherfucker. They all going through it. You talking about they talking about who's suffering more. Racism. My ass. That's all I gotta say about that.